Namaste. So today we will be learning Parivrtta Trikonasana. So let's get started. To begin, we need to stand at the back of your mat, and now you take your right foot in front. Keep a comfortable distance of around 2.5 to 3 feet. And now the rule is, whichever leg is pointing out, that hand will go behind at the back, and the other hand, opposite hand, will go up. And take a good breath. Inhale. Exhaling, start bending forward. Place your palm next to the foot. Now you can place the palm in front of the foot or behind the foot, whatever is comfortable to you. After placing your palm, you can twist your body and stretch your right hand up. Look towards your right palm. Now few corrections here. First thing, sometimes people tend to take the hand too much behind to increase the twist of the body. Please do not do that. Keep it straight. Another thing, you are staying longer in the posture. Your neck might give you a little bit of hurting sensation. So look in front and breathe in the posture. Another correction, in case if you can't reach out to the floor, if you are somewhere up, can you come up a little bit? So just give the grounding to the posture by touching your leg and then keep breathing. And the last one is that the body has to be in one plane. So it should not be like bending forward or leaning behind. It should be in one line. Your leg and the body should be in one line. And to return, you come back in the same way. You look down first. Bring your right hand at the back. Inhaling, come up. And exhaling, relax. Take your foot behind and here the asana ends. Thank you.
Parivrtta Trikonasana aids in a complete body stretch. Practicing 2 to 3 rounds of this asana will have a beneficial effect on the back, neck, hips and the hamstring muscles, as you get a good stretch overall on your body while twisting in this posture. While practicing Parivrtta Trikonasana, you have to maintain complete focus on the twist while maintaining the body balance. This will help in reaching the final pose with ease. The wonderful combination of forward bend and upward twist not only gives physical benefit by massaging the abdominal organs, but also stretches the back and the lower body muscles. It also stimulates the mind to stay concentrated throughout, which helps to improve the mind's balance. The stretching and opening of the muscles enhance the respiratory function and the spinal muscles. Regular practice of this asana helps in toning up the abdominal wall and waist muscles. It also corrects faulty postural habits. Keep practicing this asana and you will see huge benefit at physical as well as mental level. Namaskar.